Hey there. Let me help you get started with AlchemyJ. First, let's go through the prerequisite. You need to have either Windows 7 or 10 installed, have sufficient storage space, Microsoft Excel, and Java JDK installed. Next, let's go through the installation. First, launch Excel. Then we go to File, and choose Option. Here, we select Add-ins. Then choose Go. Next, choose Browse. Go to the folder you extracted the package you downloaded. Open the AlchemyJ Studio folder, then select the AlchemyJ Excel file. Make sure AlchemyJ Studio is selected, then press OK. Once you see AlchemyJ ribbon here, it's installed successfully. Go to alchemyj.io and download our Community Edition to try it out today.